How to enable anonymous posting on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once you have the latest version, the next thing you want to do is simply open the app Facebook. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Now once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now head over to groups. It will show you all the list of the groups that you are involved in. Now simply move into the group that you want to post. Once you're in the profile of the group, now what you want to do is tap on write something. So right here, you can see the option or the feature where it says post anonymously. All you want to do is toggle on this button in order to enable. Now tap on got it. Well, the anonymous posting has been enabled successfully. Now if you upload any photos, videos or status, then your identity won't be shown to any of the user on Facebook. And then after that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable anonymous posting on Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.